Oh, what's gonna be? I'm confused. I don't know what to draw.
You only have 5 minutes. Remember that.
All right. 5 minutes. Oh my God, I forgot to. We're on time. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today, me and Zara are going to be doing the
3 marker challenge.
Yep. So we're going to be using this box to partition the both of us so we don't see what each other is drawing. But before we do that, we're going to be putting the markers into Mr. What should we call it?
Mr. Ducky.
Mr. Ducky is going to be eating up all this marker, and then we're going to choose 3 markers out of Mr. Ducky to do the 3 marker challenge with. So,
and before we begin, hit that subscribe button, put a thumbs up, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified every time we post a new video.
Yep, what she said. So let's just begin. Alright, so Zara's gonna put in the markers. So give Mr. Ducky some markers to eat.
Here, Mr. Ducky. Hope you enjoy.
Alright, so now we're gonna shake it up. And we're not gonna look because we can't know which color we're going to use for this challenge. We're gonna have to just pick 3 colors, and those 3 colors that we pick, those are the colors that we're gonna use to draw something fabulous. And then after we draw something fabulous, what we're gonna do? We're gonna pick. We need to pick the winner. So we're gonna need you guys,
your guys' comments to help us decide who's is the best.
Yeah, so after we're done drawing, we're gonna put up the pictures, and you guys are gonna have to comment down below who is the winner. So let's just begin. Alright, so who's gonna pick first? You?
Okay.
Alright, one at a time. You're gonna pick one, I'm gonna pick one, and you. Okay? I still want you to close. We're still gonna close our eyes when we're picking just to be safe. Wait. Okay, here goes. Okay, pick.
Okay.
My turn, so you hold the bag. Don't wanna cheat. Ready?
Yes. Wrong side.
Okay. Pink. Not bad.
And before I got a light blue.
Okay.
Hold it.
Shake.
I'm scared.
Shake. Okay.
Oh.
Why did you get black? I like black. But she got black, so now it's my turn.
Pick a bad one. Bad.
Purple.
Oh, you're getting a good combination.
Really? Yeah. Your turn. Close your eyes. Choose.
Good. Okay.
Yellow. Alright, my final. This is the final pick, guys. Okay, ready? Come on, I need a nice color to blend well. Red.
Oh, she got a good combination.
Okay, so I got the pink, purple, and red. And
I got black, blue, and yellow.
So now we're going to be drawing. We're going to be doing our best work here, guys. So we're gonna put this to separate the both of us so we can't see what each other is drawing. We couldn't find a better box.
Yeah.
Or a better partition. So we're gonna just use this, okay? So we're gonna still try not to peek. So that's what we're gonna do now. We're gonna start our challenge now.
Also, guys, we just have 5 minutes to complete this.
We only have 5 minutes. So
then we're gonna show each other what we drew.
Yep. So we only have 5 minutes, guys. So I'm going to be setting the timer on my phone so that we don't cheat.
Okay, guys, so we're gonna use my phone to set the time so we are not cheating.
Now we're gonna start the clock. Let me see if I can put it up like this. So you see that we won't be cheating. I hope you guys will be able to see it. I doubt it, but yeah, it's gonna be right there. So press start.
And you guys, okay.
So now, guys, I have no clue what I'm gonna draw.
I was thinking about it.
So I'm over here. Kizzy's over here.
Zara's
over
right
there.
here.
So, let's see. It has to be better than Zara's though.
Mine has to.
God, these markers. Okay, what should I draw? It's gonna
No,
be
just
so
gonna
good.
flip mine over.
Time is up, guys. So stop. Turn it up. So it's time to reveal our drawing.
Wait, I need something.
Alright guys, so this is our drawing right here. Zara don't see my drawing as yet and I don't see hers.
Drawing with 3 markers was very hard.
Yeah, it was really hard for you. Especially not even the 3 markers but the 5 minutes.
Yeah.
You keep wondering, oh my god, 5 minutes is almost up. What am I gonna do? 5 minutes up really
I didn't
fast.
even finish my drawing.
Yeah, but I think I have a better drawing than you.
Me too.
Guys, we're gonna need your help for this one because I know my drawing is better. She thinks hers is better, so
No,
let's just
I
see.
think.
Alright, who wants to reveal first? Why do I have to go first?
Mine is horrible.
Okay, I'll go first. Here it goes. This is my
Oh my
drawing, guys. Look at it. Isn't it beautiful?
Yes. What does this say?
Vote for me. You gotta be creative. Okay, now you reveal your.
Mine is not.
Oh, I didn't show you. Did you see?
Oh, mine is not good. You don't want to see this.
Let's see it.
Okay.
Today, please. What is it? Let me show them because I don't know why you do it. What is this? It's a phone?
Yeah, I couldn't think of any.
This is our drawing, guys. So, we're gonna need you to vote. Let me put mine beside hers. This is how they look. So guys, we're gonna need you to vote and tell us whose drawing is better. Please, sit down, child. Sit down.
So guys, if you want us to do another 3 marker challenge, hit the thumbs up so we know we need to do another challenge.
And not even that, if you want us to do another challenge, hit that thumbs up also, so we know we should keep the challenge coming, okay?
If you thought that Kizzy was a better drawer, comment Kizzy. If you thought I was a better drawer, comment Zara.
Okay guys, so this is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Do you have something to say?
No.
You don't have something to say? The most important thing ever? What? Tell them what they need to do.
You better subscribe.